As a mother, I would love for my child to follow her dreams. It is so powerful, that kind of belief and support, which is what I also bring to work. I've learned how to be more patient and more compassionate. That goes a long way when trying to train junior scientists so that we can improve people's lives. We work on fundamental mechanisms of RNA protein complexes, and we're really trying to get to the bottom of, can we understand their language?
They're trying to understand how proteins interact or recognize their RNA binding partners.
RNA-protein interactions are difficult to predict. If we could figure out how they interact with each other and find each other, we will be able to develop therapeutic strategies to target certain molecules.
Dr. Nam's lab is all about RNA and how proteins change those RNAs inside of cells.
They're like jigsaw puzzle pieces. They need to do a dance, as in there's a dynamic interaction between them, and then they finally fit. MicroRNAs can be off switches for each of your genes. By controlling which microRNAs there are in the cell, you can control which genes are turned on and turned off. This is not a very easy task. Every combination we study, we find a new dance.
RNAs and RNA modification, RNA regulations are really important in many different cancers and other like human diseases.
Many of the molecules, the proteins that she works with, seem to be natural targets for development of therapeutics.
We prioritize targets that are known to have a major role in some sort of disease, and we have been focusing in the cancer area, and now we are venturing into neurological disorders. MicroRNAs are processed by this machinery called microprocessor. It's been shown that microprocessor, depending on its efficiency or accuracy, can give rise to different groups of microRNAs, and that can cause or cure disease.
Having a better understanding of the RNA processing, we then hope will help us develop new medicines which can target those processes.
Heme is a small molecule that binds iron. It's the same molecule that makes the red blood cells red. Heme can determine whether microprocessor can process accurately and efficiently.
Understanding them better helps us to understand what their role in biology is and how those can apply to human diseases.
As a mentor, I think she leads by example.
I see science as a team sport. There is no one genius that can do everything.
The first time I met her, she was like, my main two rules of the lab are love science and have fun.
She's always on top of you, making sure that you are on track and motivated all the time.
It's very obvious how dedicated she is to all of our work, and I think it shows in both the quality and the quantity of work that we do in this lab.
Science is mostly failure, and Yunsun, she doesn't give up.
We are trying to tackle big questions that nature has given us. What gets me excited is the fact that we get to add new knowledge to human history.